Hi everybody, if you have learnt DevOps, if you are a fresher and if you are looking for fresher DevOps job role, here is a very good opportunity for you. I have searched and I have find out one job opportunity that is a company which is looking for DevOps fresher job roles. So I will share my screen and I will explain you the job description, what is the eligibility criteria, who can apply, how can you apply, and what are the things you have to send them as your application. I have explained sharing my screen. So all the fresher people who are learned, who are skilled with DevOps can apply for this job role. So this is the details job description of the DevOps fresher job role. Now you can see the company name is Motivity Lab Inc. and they are looking for DevOps for a freshers role. So anybody who has 0 to 1 year of experience can apply for this role. Definitely a fresher candidate who does not have any experience, but a fresher who has learnt DevOps can apply for this kind of job role. What is the qualification or eligibility for this job role? Anybody who has done BTech, BE, MCA, basically they want candidates who are from CSE background or from IT background. They can apply for this job role. But all the non-computer science graduates, I mean to say BSc, BCom, BA, I would also suggest them to consider this and send their resume or send their profile to the HR, to the email ID that is mentioned here. I will also mention the email ID in the description of this video. Now you can see they have specified the qualification, but non-computer science candidates can also apply. There is no harm in applying, right? So I would suggest non-computer science BSc, BCom, BA students also to send their resume to this email ID. Now the location is in Raidurg, Hyderabad. There are two conditions terms and conditions with the job role. First condition is the fresher candidate has to work from office only. There is no question, there is no option of work from home. So from day one only the fresher candidate will be working from office. And because this is a fresher job role, the company is also asking a bond of 2 years. So the fresher candidates has to sign an agreement, a bond agreement for 2 years, and this is how the terms and conditions are. I would say this is a win-win situation for a fresher, because if you are trained in DevOps, 2 years bond, yes, you can consider depending on your family background or your personal life. So if anybody is interested and match all these criterias, then I would say you can send your resume to this email ID. I have also mentioned the email ID in the description of this video. Now I have also mentioned the URL of the website where the job is posted. So this is the link of the job. When you click the link, you will be taken to the company website. This is the company website. You can send your resume to this email ID at the same time, submit your details, apply to this position through this form also. So enter all these details. They are specifically asking a cover letter also. Enter the cover letter or attach the cover letter and then submit. Both the things you do, and I would say like you might get selected for this fresher job role, which is specified for DevOps career, DevOps job. So I feel this was a very useful video for all the freshers who has learned DevOps. If you share this video with your friends also. So I hope you have understood the job description, the eligibility criteria, the terms and condition like work from office and 2 years of employment bond agreement and all those stuff. Now share this video with your friends and contacts also, because this video might be helpful to someone. So definitely share this video with your friends in WhatsApp group, Telegram group, Instagram and Facebook group also. Now I will share the email ID and the link of the website in the description of this video. Copy that email ID and send your resume, you completed updated resume, to that email ID. Also use the website link to send your candidature or send your profile through their website as well. So all the people who are freshers and applying for DevOps fresher job role, all the best from my side, and thank you so much. Share this video with your friends. If you like this video, click the like button. If you have any questions, you can put down in the comment section. Thank you so much. My name is Sushmita. You are watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. Namaste.